what's up guys, it's Arun. Let's take a look at a gaming PC. Alright, so just a couple of things I want to clarify before we start taking a look at this PC. First of all, I am not a professional at gaming PC builds. This is the first time I've put together a PC and I made plenty of mistakes. Second of all, I know I didn't choose the best parts and I'm actually currently working to try and improve this PC, and there's a lot of things that I chose which were kind of overpriced, and I know. Throughout this video I'm also going to chuck up the prices on screen so you guys can see how much everything cost me, as well as in USD because I currently live in Australia. So let's kick things off with the heart of the system, the motherboard. I chose an Asus Mini ATX board, which was a H110M-A board, and it was a pretty cool board because it had USB 3 and it also was compatible with the CPU I wanted, which was an Intel Pentium G4560. So a lot of numbers here guys, but basically it's a pretty cheap board with a pretty cheap CPU, and they both perform reasonably well. For the power supply, I chose a Cooler Master 650 watt PCU, and this was mainly because I wanted to give my system a bit of expandability. For the storage, I have a 120 gigabyte Kingston SSD, and for the main storage, I have a 1 terabyte WB, I believe it is. Everyone's favorite, the graphics card, I chose an R9 290, mainly because I got it for an absolute steal for $120, and it's 4 gigabytes, and it just performs really well. It's a bit noisy and it gets quite hot, but considering the value for it, really worth it. Finally, to house everything, I got an NZXT PC case from Facebook Marketplace. It cost me about $60, but it's definitely worth it because it came with a couple of case fans, and it's a really clean look, and it was totally brand new, so definitely worth it. I'm going to play you a bit of a montage with a couple of different games, including Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Minecraft. We're going to take a look at some of the performance of this PC and whether it is worth spending this much money. Finally guys, let's wrap this up. This PC cost me $500 to make. Now I know that's a lot of money, but I have learned a huge amount making this computer, but I definitely need to get a new CPU so it stops bottlenecking that graphics card so much. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you have any good ideas on a better CPU or motherboard I should put in, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you all in the next one.